Antonyms. Directions. Choose the correct answer that corresponds to the word opposite in meaning to the bold and italicized word or phrase in the sentence. Let's get started. Hannah accompanied her sister to the drugstore. Followed. Let go on one's own. Left behind. Stopped. The correct answer is let go on one's own. Definition of accompany. To go with as an associate or companion. To perform an accompaniment to or for. Beside the boulevard are gigantic buildings. Alley. Street. Avenue. Road. The correct answer is alley. Definition of boulevard. A broad, often landscaped thoroughfare. He often got into trouble because he was brusque, blunt, rude, refined, curt. The correct answer is refined. Definition of brusque. Markedly short and abrupt. Blunt in manner or speech, often to the point of ungracious harshness. The reporter's candid remarks caught the mayoralty candidate off guard. Secret. Frank. Well thought. Reserved. The correct answer is well thought. Definition of candid. Free from bias, prejudice, or malice. Fair. Relating to or being photography of subjects acting naturally or spontaneously without being posed. Free in expressing one's true feelings and opinions. The mean boys derided the sickly boy. Made fun of. Ridiculed. Praised. Abandoned. The correct answer is praised. Definition of deride. To make someone or something the object of unkind laughter. To laugh at or insult contemptuously. To subject to usually bitter or contemptuous ridicule or criticism. Charm was ecstatic when she won first prize in the short story writing contest. Melancholic. Overjoyed. Worried. Energetic. The correct answer is melancholic. Definition of ecstatic. Experiencing or marked by overwhelming, usually pleasurable emotion. Very happy or excited. Feeling or showing ecstasy. Migraine headaches are excruciating. Extremely painful. Mild pain. Painless. Healing. The correct answer is painless. Definition of excruciating: causing great pain or anguish, agonizing, intensely or unbearably painful, extreme. The quiz proved to be facile, so the students got high scores. Difficult, easy, average, answerable. The correct answer is difficult. Definition of facile: involving minimal difficulty or effort, easily accomplished or attained. The garrulous girls were distanced from each other. Mute, talkative, behaved, quiet. The correct answer is quiet. Definition of garrulous: given to prosy, rambling, or tedious loquacity, pointlessly or annoyingly talkative. Fond of talking or conversation, using or containing more words than necessary to express an idea. The heathens used to practice cannibalism. Uncivilized people, barbaric people, old people, cultured people. The correct answer is cultured people. Definition of heathen: an unconverted member of a people or nation who does not acknowledge the God of the Bible. An uncivilized or irreligious person.
Thank you for watching. Comment down below kung ilan ang nakuha mong tamang sagot. Please follow us for more updates and videos.